Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Today we will learn how to create stunning transitions quickly and easily in After Effects. To start, let's create a rectangle. Make sure you don't have any layers selected when you create it. Color it however you like. Next, apply the CC Light Wipe effect and use the values you see on the screen. Position yourself at the point where you want the transition to start and create a keyframe for the completion option at 100%. Move forward about 20 frames and lower it to 0%. Alright, let's see how it's looking. To make the transition more attractive, let's rotate it a bit. In the direction option, adjust the angle to your liking. To adjust the keyframes we've created, first select the layer and reveal all the keyframes by pressing the U key. Then select the keyframes and use the F9 key to smooth out the acceleration and deceleration of the movement. Preview the animation to see how it looks. Great! Drag the layer below Scene 2 and move forward a few frames from the first keyframe we created earlier. To save time, select the effect, copy it and paste it into Scene 2. And voila! Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.